Alright, this is just a little quick show and tell on how to reassemble the front brake calipers for an Acura Integra or Honda Civic. They're all kind of the same. It's pretty simple. You have your O-ring, fits inside the groove in here, which is a little tricky to do one-handed, but it just pops in. And jump cut. Okay, you see O-ring in. You'll want to put some lube on that, like Vaseline or something, just to make it easier for the piston to go in, or penetrating oil, whatever. And then you have your boot. And the way I've found that's easiest to do the boot is to put it around the wide part of the piston, just down past the lip that it sits in, so that it's kind of pulled outward. And obviously I can't really do that one-handed either. But your goal is to pull it down till it's right at like the bottom quarter inch or so of the piston. That way you can work the outer groove into the lip with the piston protruding. And once you've got it more or less seated in, you push the piston in all the way and then work around the outside, or work around the outside of the piston to seat the lip. And I'll jump cut again once I have it back together somewhat, so I can kind of show you what I mean. Okay, this is what I mean. You got it rolled kind of inside out on the top lip so that you have space for the outside lip to go in. And you just kind of work it till it's seated all the way around, which might have to use a screwdriver a little bit to push it in. But once it's sit in, which, wow, I did that one-handed, awesome. You just push it back down. And if you've got enough lube in there, it'll push down fairly easy. And you can see this will roll back in. And once it hits this lip, most of it will flip right into it. And you might have to work around it a little bit with a screwdriver to get it the rest of the way, but it's pretty easy.